Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your POCO M7. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector or a case. So this is very important and I'll explain why. Basically, whenever your case is covering even a tiny part of the screen. So here we got the dark part, as you guys can see, this is called a bezel. So this is between the screen and the side of the phone. If your case is going from the bezel to the screen, what can happen is simple ghost touches like this. So you basically won't be able to use your phone properly. Of course, you guys can do that. Now, sometimes your phone may turn off just because of it, or just simply tap randomly. So it will randomly, let's say, open Spotify. There's a lot of different scenarios depending on where the ghost touch is happening. It can be on the entire screen. So this is the first thing we're gonna do. So we're gonna remove the case. It's a bit of hard to remove it, but eventually we'll get it. And we got the phone itself. Now, after removing the case, if our screen protector is not applied perfectly, I mean perfectly on our screen and on our earpiece here, if it's going off to the sides of the phone right here, like let's say where the buttons are, then what can happen is simply the ghost touch can appear here and it will just randomly click, let's say, this folder all the time. And it will look like this. You won't be able to use your phone. So if that's also the case, then remove it. And now we're gonna move on to cleaning our screen to remove debris, moisture, and fingerprints. So we wanna make sure that our screen is shiny. Let's grab the microfiber cloth and let's give it a little bit of a clean. Now, as you guys can see, let me quickly wear the case again because I know my case is from the original pack and I know this is not the issue. We got everything. We want to give it a very good clean. And now the screen is shiny. So what we want to do when the screen is shiny, restart our phone. So this is very important. We want to restart our phone because maybe it's just a minor glitch, and we can do that by pressing the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now swipe down and the phone is now restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what we're gonna do is we're gonna enter the password first, and next, as a last resort, update our software to fix any touch glitches. So let's go over to the settings. Now we're gonna go to about phone, but first I'm gonna wait for the phone to turn fully on. Here in the about phone, we're gonna click on HyperOS. We need to make sure that we have Wi-Fi connection and my software is up to date. I got no updates available, but if you do, then make sure to update your software. It's very important to keep up with the latest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.